We are dealing with an isosceles trapezoid in this case. Let's just go ahead and start labeling the things that we know. In an isosceles trapezoid, two of the sides, the non-parallel sides, are congruent, and the other two sides are parallel, and labeling them as parallel with little arrows like this, that's how we do it, is not absolutely necessary, but it's good to know. And we also know a couple other things about it. So if we went kind of old school here, we could look at this and say, well, we have two parallel lines. They're cut by a transversal. And because of that, these two angles are going to be supplementary. And we would say the same thing over here. These alternate interior angles are going to be supplementary. And because of its isosceles-ness, this angle is congruent to this angle. And knowing that these two together add up to be 180, and these two together add up to be 180, but these two must be the same, that means that these two up here must be the same as well. Okay, let's label some things and go from there. Let's use red. ADC is 73. All right, 73. Don't think too hard. Just go ahead and fill in everything you know, and I'm going to figure out what that is, and here's the way I do it. 180 degrees, these two together make 180, and so I'll do 180 minus 73, and I'm going to get 107. This is also 107. Here's another way of doing it, by the way, because I know that these two are the same. This is not very efficient, but I'm going to show you anyway. Because these two are the same, let's suppose I don't know that they're both 107, but I knew this was 73 and this was 73. I have 360 degrees minus 73 times 2, but then I have to split it evenly among these two because they're equal to each other. There we go. That works also. All right. We know that BC equals 3x. So BC is 3x. Well, that means that this one must also be 3x, but it's negative x plus 12, so we'll write that instead. Negative x plus 12. And now we're asked to figure out a whole bunch of stuff. So let's just figure out a whole bunch of stuff. So angle DAB, I almost said BAD, same thing. Bad, this bad angle right here is 107 degrees. BCD is the 73 degree angle down here. And now I'm looking for x, and so I'm going to just set these two things equal to each other. So 3x equals negative x plus 12. So 4x equals 12, so x equals 3, which helps me out a lot. And now they're asking for BC. Well, how long is BC? Don't make this harder than it is. BC is 3x. Well, x is 3, so 3 times 3 is 9.